This is one of the reasons why I come up to this kind of place. There's just no more better inspiration than nature. Look at this tree behind me. This is one of the Sierra junipers, and they get huge. Now, how do I capture the essence of this? You know, this massive tree that I have to put into a small container. That's one of the challenges that we face as bonsai artists. There are so many inspiring things that it's sometimes mind-boggling. I come here at least a couple times a year, and each time I experience something new. If the one on the right is the old man, then the one on the left is the young maiden. See how the age and the style makes a difference? All it takes is just a simple little crack in a rock, and this can be the results. How can such large and old tree survive with just such small contact with the ground? This is the kind of thing that keeps me coming back to this area. There are a lot of favorite areas, but I particularly like this area because such things. Here was my chipmunk again. Hard to shoot video when you're bothered by a cute little chipmunk wanting the almond that happened to be in my pocket. Here, chipmunk. Looking at this tree from various angles, look at the multiple apexes that this is beginning to form. It looks like it was hit by lightning at one time. What happens when that lightning strikes? And this looks just about what they've told me. It strikes, kills the top, maybe burns, but the force goes all the way into the ground, therefore they'll leave a scar.